What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here. You're here with UL Exchange, the crypto caresser, the forex finesser, and the stock successor. If you guys are new to this channel, then by all means hit that subscription with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information-packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now. And by that being said, today's topic will be on: are we in a bear market, or do I see cryptocurrency bullish momentum before we enter the new year of 2022? What are the highs that crypto can reach, and will it keep going and reach new market caps above the $3.7 trillion market cap we've seen earlier this year? So by that being said, guys, we'll also take a look at the technical analysis aspect of these cryptocurrencies. We'll take a look at XRP. We'll also take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, and Cardano. We'll take a look at those five just to keep it simple and see where the whole cryptocurrency as a whole is going. So by that being said, let's just get right into this video after this beautiful intro.
Forex, everything is Forex.
Well, alright guys, as always, first things first, total market cap is currently sitting at $2.3 trillion. It has came up about $150 billion in about a day, so that's very good. For the percentage of the day, it's 4.16% increase over the last day. So we're doing good as well. Bitcoin dominance is holding its 40% resistance of the dominance, and Ethereum is creeping up at 20.6. Now Ethereum gas fees has also jumped up for the past couple hours, including this day as well. It's currently sitting at 91 Gwei, and last time I made a video, which was yesterday, it was sitting at 45, so it has climbed up a little bit. But we can just take a look at the cryptocurrency and see how the numbers are marking up and adding up as well. You guys can see a lot of green, which means that crypto has been going bullish. And I'm going to tell you guys what I think and what will be the outcome, basically the final outcome for cryptos before we enter this new year of 2022. So Bitcoin is sitting at a beautiful number above 50,000, currently at 50,995 as CoinMarketCap reports it. Ethereum following at the second spot with $4,136.25, and so on with Binance Coin, Tether, Solana, and so on. But as you guys can see, a lot of green. Even Bitcoin has came up 4.13% within the 24-hour period, and 7-day period is 6.33%. Market cap is sitting at a beautiful $946 billion, and the volume for the 24 hours is at $27 billion. And if I click this, we'll just see for the 24-hour period, the first thing being Near protocol, Near crypto is up 24.77% just in the 24-hour period, and for the 7-day it is up 44.54%. So a lot of bullish momentum happening in this crypto space. And now let's take a look at one article about Cardano. So this says, here is the key to having Cardano a happy new year. So we can read about Cardano's comeback. As 2021 is coming to an end, we can actually see Cardano's performance improving for the first time in a while. The downtrend that began with ADA all-time high in September took the coin down by 58.2%, all the way to $1.34.8. And that's from around hitting $1.98, $2, $2.40, $2.50. But we'll also check a look at technical analysis in a little bit. So over these last 3 months, there were only 2 instances of a rally extending for more than 2 days. So keep that in mind. And one of them was in mid-November when ADA went up 14.46%, and it appeared to have almost breached its resistance level, but it did not. However, at the time, it failed to do so, leading the altcoin losing further ground on the charts. And at press time, for the first time in over a month, the MACD line moved over the signal line, which is indicating that the market registered a bullish crossover. And also for the first time in a month, the candlestick closed above the 20 MA. That's a moving average. So you guys can see, as this screenshot was taken currently in December 23rd, which is today, and price was at $1.34, and we see 3 resistance forming from this screenshot. We'll also take a look at it on TradingView, give you guys my analysis and my perspective on that. And Cardano in 2021, this year the 2.58 million wallets on the network cumulatively registered over 23.8 million transactions, and that is an insane amount. And not only that, but it also left a mark in the DeFi space with the network minting over 2 million NFTs since August of this year. So as you guys can see in the picture, native asset minted 2.5 million since March, it says in the picture, and the total transactions signed over $23.8 million. Hopefully these achievements will be enough to reinvigorate the dying interest from investors, as Cardano's social presence is pretty bleak right now and investor sentiment is at its worst in almost a year. So this is what we're looking at from Cardano. And now let's just investigate the trading view and look at all these cryptocurrencies. And if you guys are new to this channel, then by all means hit that subscription with the bell notification so you guys can be informed every time I drop information packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now. And also follow me on the other social media platforms such as Twitter and Instagram. That's where I post my daily content, because it takes a while to post a video, edit it out, and do all that. And if you guys are interested on daily and relatively quickly updates whenever the market moves, I even signified and sent out a signal saying that XRP was about to break out this zone and head up. And this is the first resistance. It should be testing around $1, which it says testing now, as you guys can see, with this resistance level being formed. So that's it, guys, but let's go over the technical analysis now. So XRP is currently sitting at $1, 1.00714 to be exact, and it is facing a major resistance level, which is at the same level it's at. The second resistance level, let me save this and show you guys, is around $1.08, $1.10. This is the next resistance level, which I will draw the key point here. And let me show you guys. There we go. So it has to pass this resistance level where it's currently at, but it has cracked above the box and where it was at, and it was trapped. And as it came down, so what did it do? It did exactly as I said it would, came out of the box and test the resistance level. We'll see what happens. I'll move this up to this resistance level, but to the support level, but also the trend line level, so it can come back down if price tries and wants to come down and it doesn't have enough momentum and force to jump up. But also on the daily time frame, we can see the RSI is sitting at 62.51, which is not high yet, but we'll see how high the crypto bullish momentum will take XRP. Followed by Bitcoin. You guys can see Bitcoin is facing the first resistance level, but it has broken out of the downtrend reversal trend line signal. As you guys can see, this is a downtrend signal and the trend line. And what did it do? It broke out of it. It tested the support. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see made this little small support level over here at the price of, let's go down, at the price of $48,000. Bitcoin made a support level and it jumped back up and it tested it, but it also pushed above the trend line downtrend resistance level, and it went up around 6.08%, making the jump from 48,400 all the way up to 51,000. That's around $3,000 increase in just less than 1 day. Because the day is still not complete, there's 3 hours and 39 minutes left in the day. But you guys can see now, and there's still a long way to go on Bitcoin. For it to come to this all-time high, we need to see an increase about 35%, making it go above $69,000. And the first resistance level that Bitcoin needs to test and get above is the resistance level 1 here, which is around this section at the price of, let me click it and show you guys, $52,866. That's the first resistance level it needs to pass. The second one is around here. Let me put this horizontal line so I can show you guys. That second price is at 58,213. That's the middle one. And if we draw this with the 70%, as you guys can see, it is at the 70%. And what did it do? Came down and rejected and went down to the 90%, but rejected the 90%. So this was a reversal candle, which it went back up basically 17.11% as it came down 14.91%. So it's a strong increase, but Bitcoin needs to pass this resistance 1 for us to even see higher levels, which is at the price of 52,000. It is at 50,800 currently and needs to pass above 52,000 for us to see anything else move up. And as we take a look at Ethereum is trying to do the same thing as Bitcoin, because as I told you guys, Bitcoin is the leader of the cryptocurrencies in the market cap. So 90% of the cryptos will follow it, but others will generate their own strength and bullish momentum and keep pushing even if Bitcoin doesn't. So Ethereum is caught in this crosshair of the triangle, but also the X, but it's also trying to pass and get above this negative and downtrend line. Let me show you guys. Daily trend. So you guys can see a daily downtrend. And put this white so it's better. Well, let's try and put the text white. So there we go. Text. Okay, perfect. So daily downtrend has came up a little bit, but it has to get above. Let's go to the weekly time frame so you guys can see it clearly. It has to get above these, but it's still showing that it's a strong rejection to the downside, and it wants to continue its upward bullish momentum. That's Ethereum for you guys. Now we're taking a look at Shiba, and Shiba has been going strong for the past 4 days. It has been on a bullish run. You guys can see it has came up 34% in the last 4 days, and what I'm expecting from Shiba is to pass this downtrend as well. All the cryptos are facing the same kind of structure right now. It needs to pass above the price of 4 zeros and a 4407 to come and see any higher highs and any possibility of the price going higher. And let's take a look at the last one, which being is Cardano. And Cardano has also came up to $1.44, but let's take a look at the weekly time frame. What did it do? It came all the way down to the 90%, but how many weeks has it been rejecting? For 4 weeks, it has been rejecting the level of $1.19, and now, just within the recent week alone, it has jumped up 21.99%, rounded up to 22%, to all the way to $1.44. So what is Cardano headed? Where I think Cardano is headed is, let me get rid of this. I need 2 down here. Cardano, I believe, is headed all the way up to 70% to retest this level of $1.62, and if it finds that easily pushing through, and the resistance is not as strong as it's expected, then it will come to these higher resistance level around $1.95. Let me put this marker. There we go. So that's it, guys. So keeping it simple, that's all going on in the crypto market. But I wanted to tell you guys that the crypto bullish momentum is not over, and that is what I'm seeing in these markets. So by that being said, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, then by all means subscribe to this channel with the bell notification so you can be notified every single time I drop information-packed videos, just like the one you're watching right now. And subscribe. Don't forget it. I'm UL with UL Exchange. I'm the crypto caresser, the forex finesse, and the stock successor. God bless. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Surrender right now. I surrender right now. I surrender right now. Jesus turns my white flag. I surrender right now.